G'day folks, Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles here. Today we have a special edition from Triumph right behind me. Now this is a special model from Triumph because last year a man named Iván Cervantes won the Baja Aragón Rally on a Tiger 900 Rally Pro. And in honor of that, Triumph have brought out the brand new Triumph Aragón Editions. Now it comes in two colors. We have this color here today, the fantastic matte phantom black. Now we are going to jump straight into this bike and check out what else it has to offer.
Somewhere on the sea, it got a little longer, so it seems. I burned out, so to speak. Now come a little closer. I feel a little light in the light track. I felt a bit of bad, but I came back. There's still a little light in the light track. Still a bit of good, so good. And I know just what to say. And I know just what to do. And I'm so sick of pain. But it's all too quick with you. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game. And I know you're the same as me. The rules in my mind can't find the words, no, I can't seem to find. But I'm really trying again. Reason, rhyme, and take our time and choose whether we green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please me now, cause we're about to lose. Whether we buy or hello, whether we stay or jello. Sometimes, honey, me. A little bit of gasoline. I burned out, so.
And there you go folks, the brand new Triumph Aragón Editions are here at our Granville location. So make sure you come on in to check them out. I'll leave the number here below. I'm Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles and I'll see you on our next video.
You see, I'm begging you, hear me, baby. If you're sick for love, don't try to hide it. Find it deep inside and try to ride it. If there's a way, I wanna know we tried it. Quit your games and now that you deny